stepn GMT generally is expected to truly arrive at a greatest cost of $554 continuously 2025 in a huge manner. Long-haul investigation proposes that stepn cost might actually flood to $779.85 by 2050, with a kind of likely reach somewhere in the range of $748.05 and $849.94, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The cost of 1 GMT would for the most part reach as high as $0.87 by 2030, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. There in every way that really matters is certainly potential for stepn cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to concerning all plans and purposes high as that of $313.83 toward the finish of 2040, in spite of prevalent thinking. The truly current market cost of 1 stepn certainly is $1,725. Starting around 25 February 2024, stepn for the most part is exchanging at $1.7 to in term of its US rate with a value change of 59% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. GMT in a real sense has a for the most part all-out market cap of $372,744 or 90 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 91 230 384. So stepn GMT really is expected to by and large arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $1.554 continuously 2025. This makes stepn GMT fundamentally positioning at 127 in the cryptographic money market, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the stepn cost expectation end of 2024, what will stepn especially be somewhat worth in 2024, or so they thought? Is stepn in every way that really matters wise venture, or in every way that really matters worth purchasing in 2024, which in a real sense is very critical? Will GMT cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled extremely high in a significant manner? These especially are our stepn cost expectations for GMT's future in a for the most part significant manner. Stepn GMT value expectation 2024 as per the stepn conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the GMT value sort of is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $89.96, the normal least value worth of stepn toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $88.60, which especially is very huge. Besides, GMT can arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $43.97 in a very large manner. Stepn value estimate February 2024. In February 2024, the especially most extreme cost for stepn could by and large stretch around $19.43. Besides, the minimum cost of GMT in February 2024 is $616 with an essentially normal cost of $861, which for the most part is very huge. GMT value figure Walk 2024. Concerning Walk 2024 stepn fundamentally is supposed to generally arrive at an extremely least value worth of $1.2839 in a really significant manner. The GMT cost could arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $20.57 with a very normal cost around $1.9075, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Stepn value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of stepn certainly is supposed to be at around an essentially least of $28.99 in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn cost can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of $206 with the fundamentally normal cost of $35 in USD, which especially is genuinely huge. Stepn value forecast May 2024. The cost of stepn truly is especially anticipated to really reach an especially least worth of $29.87 in May 2024, or so they basically thought. The GMT cost could basically arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme worth of $3.27 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $8.96 all through 2024. Stepn GMT value expectation June 2024. The cost for stepn in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $11 and $82, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to, for the most part, be around $20 in an especially large manner. Stepn GMT value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, stepn cost explicitly is estimate to generally arrive at an outright least cost of $39 in spite of mainstream thinking. The GMT cost could by and large arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $6.43 with the really normal expected cost around $3.48 in a kind of enormous manner. STEPN Value Forecast August 2024. The cost of STEPN in a real sense is truly anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least worth of India $340 in August 2024 in a fundamentally huge manner. The GMT cost could basically arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $777 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $PT449 all through 2024, which explicitly is genuinely huge. STEPN value figure September 2024. In September 2024, the exceptionally greatest cost for STEPN could really stretch around $950, which sort of is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in September 2024 explicitly is $PT450 with an essentially normal cost of $PT587, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. STEPN value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of STEPN in a real sense is supposed to be at around an especially least of $PT594. STEPN cost can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $1493 with the extremely normal cost of $730 in SD, which sort of is genuinely huge. STEPN value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the genuinely greatest cost for STEPN could generally stretch around $42 or $42, which especially demonstrates the way that STEPN cost can sort of arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $206 with the exceptionally normal cost of $35 in USD in an all things considered significant way. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in November 2024 for the most part is $2770 with a typical cost of $3879, so STEPN value expectation May 2024. The cost of STEPN in a real sense is especially anticipated to by and large reach at a very least worth of $987 in May 2024 in a very significant way. STEPN GMT value estimate December 2024. The STEPN GMT cost for December 2024 may especially arrive at a kind of least worth of $88 at 60, while the extremely greatest gauge cost explicitly is around $4397 in an especially enormous manner. The sort of typical cost for GMT is truly anticipated to truly reach $996 in December 2024 in an essentially enormous way. STEPN fundamentally past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been truly diminished by 0.5% in its sort of current worth, which basically is very critical. Assuming we truly look at the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down in a kind of large manner. STEPN explicitly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, sort of additional appearance how STEPN for the most part is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins.